Richmond American Homes is pleased to introduce an exciting addition to its popular Seasons collection, the Moonstone. Step inside this stunning two-story floor plan and you'll see a spacious bedroom and a full bathroom that can be opted for in lieu of the standard study and powder room. The foyer leads into a light-filled open layout. An impressive kitchen, complete with a roomy walk-in pantry and a convenient center island, overlooks the great room, creating the perfect setup for entertaining. Whip up culinary wonders and chat with guests at the same time. Then enjoy the meal in the nearby dining area. Better yet, take your guests through the large center meat doors to the optional extended covered patio for al fresco festivities. Useful understairs storage rounds out this floor. The second floor of this beautiful home is just as impressive. Let's head upstairs and take a look. A versatile loft offers space to lounge and play and can also be optioned as a sixth bedroom. A bathroom is adjacent, and 3 additional bedrooms. You'll also find a laundry room on the second floor. Say goodbye to hauling heavy baskets up and down the stairs. Finally, we arrive at the elegant master suite, featuring an immense walk-in closet and an attached bath with dual sinks and a shower. It's the perfect place to relax and recharge after your day. The Moonstone plan shines as brightly as its namesake, and with hundreds of personalization options, it's just the home you've been dreaming about. Designed with you in mind for the way you want to live. Richmond American Homes.